Well, you know, you get to watch our rain, but look at that. You know, when you see those colors, there is trouble.
Well, the yellow, the very end of the scale, take a close look.
8 inches.
That's 8 inches of rain across Northern California. Eureka at 8.52 inches of rain. Of course I did. And look at the high snow. They're measuring snow in feet. Well, check all that out, and the clouds that are causing that rain. Those clouds are still offshore with pieces of energy of this massive storm being thrown into the Pacific Northwest down into California. This is going to continue for most of the weekend with near hurricane force winds. Meanwhile, on the other side of the world, we're doing just fine. There's no radar returns in our area at all, just some high clouds offshore. May see a coastal shower try to develop, especially south of Savannah. Our 50 degrees now, cloudy skies, 85% relative humidity. Winds are calm. 63 was our high today here at WTOC. Visibility, not as big an issue as last night. We'll mark it right in the middle between bad and good, and especially inland areas. Please be very careful with our inland counties. You may run into some reduced visibilities. So grab your smartphone. We do with clouds early, but we lose the clouds as we go through the day. Up to 58 by the time we get to lunchtime as high pressure is in charge. But as that high moves away, it's not uncommon to get a return flow around the bottom of that high, and that's a moisture flow that will create some clouds and maybe create some coastal showers. As we go into Saturday, Sunday, that moisture field will get shifted up the Carolina coast away from us. So we're not going to worry about it in terms of our bridge forecast. Partly cloudy, mostly sunny skies. 51 to start the race, 69 by post-race with a northeasterly breeze that should be less than 10 miles an hour. Next tide, 2:43 in the morning. It'll be a low tide, 8:45. Your next high tide, and of course sunrise after 7 o'clock in the morning. Patchy fog inland. 44 degrees, the full moon was last night. Northeast winds at 3 to 6 miles an hour. From the 44 up to 69 tomorrow, we'll say mostly sunny. 50 tomorrow night, 71 and partly cloudy for the 1st of December. Hurricane season's over. Sunday, 73 and mostly sunny skies. Monday, Tuesday, stay in the 70s. Do have a slight chance of showers Wednesday. That big storm that we showed you back at the beginning of our broadcast, that could bring a trailing cold front that could bring us some showers midweek next week. But in the meantime, a chilly night tonight. Lots of upper 60s for tomorrow. And check all the fun things to do this weekend, including the toy run. I'll see you at the Vidalia Christmas Parade at 11 o'clock. I'm also lucky enough to be a part of the judging team for the Thunderbolt Boat Parade. That's at 6 o'clock on Sunday. Lots of things to do. Weather will be fabulous. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
I know it's tough to forecast the weather. A lot of different forecast zones to worry about. Sure. Did you know it snowed in Statesboro tonight?
No.
Yeah.
Around
look at
Sweetheart?
this. Yeah, we don't see it much, but they did at Georgia Southern tonight. Beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go. Never mind. Even Santa Claus and the Missus dropping by for the fun. The university president, Brooks Keel, flipped the switch and turned Sweetheart Circle into a winter wonderland.
Wow.
That's so pretty. There he is, that jolly old elf.
Yeah, and how timidly they walk up to him.
Yeah, well, they're walking on snow,
well, that's
too.
True.
We're not used to that.
Not used to that at all.
Questions.
Beautiful.
Well, quite a shopping spree when we come right back.